losing muscle, we're gaining belly fat, then we're getting more tired, we don't want to go to the gym, we don't have any motivation. And that's why low testosterone is so dangerous, because it just puts in a spiral of negative feedback loop. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Michael Moeller here, doing my best to bring you more health, wealth, and wisdom. If I miss something up or I miss something, please leave feedback in the comments below. And last but not least, I'd really enjoy it if you'd stick around for future videos, so please hit the subscribe button and stick around. All right, let's break down 5 warning signs that your testosterone is tanked. Sign number 1 is going to be low mood, depression, I just don't feel like myself anymore. Many guys, when their testosterone is low, they just feel like there's a cloud that follows them around no matter what they do. It's really hard for them to be optimistic about life. And studies show that when guys have lower testosterone, they have an increased chance for having depression. And on the opposite end, we see when guys optimize their testosterone, their mood almost always increases. One of the first things that I hear guys say is that, wow, I'm just feeling so much better. They just have an overall sense of well-being. And this leads us to sign number 2, which is low energy, low drive, and low motivation. Testosterone works on serotonin and dopamine. That's partially how it's helping us with sign number 1 and helping lift depression. But in sign number 2, this is also going to increase our motivation. It's going to increase our drive and give us more energy. There's lots of research showing that when guys have low testosterone, they're going to overall feel fatigued. And this is really a negative feedback loop. This leads you into being more pessimistic, less likely to exercise. And low testosterone also messes with our blood sugar. Testosterone is important for increasing our insulin sensitivity. So when our testosterone is low, we do a very poor job of regulating our blood sugar. And this is often a reason why guys who have low testosterone are often feeling cranky or really needing an afternoon nap. And a similar sign to that, sign number 3, is going to be brain fog. Having lower amounts of serotonin and dopamine, having lower amounts of blood sugar and poor blood sugar regulation just leaves us in an overall haze. We really know that testosterone helps boost our memory and our mental clarity. One small tip often for men is to do studying or very rigorously, or to do very mentally hard things early in the morning, because that's when your testosterone is highest. So you can imagine going around with low testosterone and just feeling tired all the time, you're going to have brain fog. And that's another thing that I see often alleviated when we get guys' testosterone optimized, is they feel like they have their brain back. They feel like they can focus and they feel like they recall things better. Sign number 4 is one most of us are probably more familiar with, and that's going to be muscle mass. Testosterone is a hormone that tells our body that times are good and we have resources, so let's go ahead and build some muscle. Testosterone increases our protein synthesis, our collagen synthesis, and it also increases our glycogen storage. This is how we store sugar, glucose. And then when we have higher amounts of glycogen storages, our muscles can use that in a positive feedback loop to build more muscle. Plenty of studies show that when guys have low testosterone, their muscle just kind of fades away. And if your testosterone is low, it's going to be really hard for you to put on muscle mass. There are studies showing that you can think about a young man as he's going through puberty. Often they're not doing much more physical exercise, but from the age of 12 to 18, they just put on muscle mass. And that's partially because their testosterone is going up. And on the opposite end, we have the hormone cortisol. Cortisol is very catabolic. It means to break things down. And muscle is very expensive. Our body doesn't like carrying it around unless it absolutely has to, and it's necessary. That's why it's extremely important to be exercising, because when we exercise, we're telling our body we need this muscle, we're going to use this muscle. And that's why testosterone has a positive feedback loop. On the opposite end, cortisol has a negative feedback loop. The more stressed we are, the more muscle we break down. And that leads us to sign number 5, which is an overall increase in body fat and belly fat. There was a study in Obesity Review from 2014 showing that low testosterone increases body fat and messes with our fat metabolism. We chatted about this earlier, that low testosterone messes with our blood sugar. Poor blood sugar regulation leads to an increase in fatty acid synthesis. And then we get in this negative feedback loop like I chatted about earlier. We're losing muscle, we're gaining belly fat, then we're getting more tired. We don't want to go to the gym. We don't have any motivation. And that's why low testosterone is so dangerous, because it just puts in a spiral of negative feedback loop, giving us more and more negative symptoms. So there you have 5 other signs that your testosterone may be tanked. I hope you found this information helpful today. And because you made it this far, I think you might like this video. Thanks for sticking around. And until next time, stay vigilant, my friends, and God bless.